Our world is at a crossroads. As we face the mounting consequences of climate change, the search for a clean energy solution has become critical. Extreme weather events and rising temperatures are clear signals that our reliance on fossil fuels must come to an end. But what if the answer was hidden in the simplest, most abundant element in the entire universe? Meet hydrogen. It is colorless, odorless, and highly energetic. Scientists believe this tiny atom is the fuel of the future. The magic of hydrogen lies in its combustion. Unlike gasoline, which releases carbon dioxide, hydrogen's only byproduct is pure water vapor. This means zero emissions at the point of use, offering a path to truly breathable cities and a cooling planet. The real breakthrough is green hydrogen, produced through electrolysis using renewable energy like wind and solar power. By splitting water molecules, we create a fuel source that is as sustainable as the sun and the wind themselves. Hydrogen's greatest strength is its energy density. It holds nearly 3 times the energy of gasoline by weight. This makes it the perfect solution for heavy-duty transportation where batteries are often too heavy or inefficient. Long-haul trucks can travel thousands of miles without long charging stops, carrying heavier loads across continents. Even aviation is being transformed, as experimental hydrogen aircraft aim to conquer the skies without leaving a carbon footprint. But hydrogen is more than just a fuel. It's a massive battery for our power grid, storing excess energy for months. It can decarbonize the most difficult industries, like steelmaking, where extreme heat is required. By replacing coal with hydrogen, we can create the materials of our world without destroying our atmosphere. In our homes, hydrogen blends can heat our water and cook our food using existing gas infrastructure with minimal upgrades. However, the road to a hydrogen economy is not without its hurdles. Production costs remain high compared to fossil fuels. We also need a vast network of pipelines and refueling stations to make hydrogen as accessible as gasoline is today. The world is already investing billions. From Europe to Asia, massive electrolyzer plants are coming online. This scale of investment is turning the dream of a hydrogen-powered society into a tangible reality. Imagine a city where the air is always fresh, and every bus, train, and factory runs on the power of water. Hydrogen isn't just another fuel source. It is the bridge to a truly sustainable and permanent civilization. As we move forward, this invisible element will lead the way to a brighter, cleaner future for all. The energy of the future is here. It's light, it's clean, and it's hydrogen.